Close.com has done it again. They just released one of the most important workflow updates that I have seen in a long time. It is currently 2:10 a.m. I had to hop on here and make this quick video to show you guys this new feature. If you are creating opportunities inside of Close.com, which most of you should be, and if you're not, you should start, this will allow you to create an opportunity inside of Close.com. So goodbye Zapier, goodbye N8N, Make.com. You're going to save money on your Zaps while doing a function that is almost mandatory for any sales process. Now, I'm going to walk you through each of the steps and a couple best practices so that you can go implement this today. Now, if we take a look at the screen over here, we have a trigger event inside of workflows, and we get to choose what this trigger is. Now, an update that I previously published on YouTube was the changes to the workflow trigger. They also added this little button here, change trigger. So if we come into here, we have trigger manually, lead event, custom activity, opportunity event, contact event, and call event. Now I'm gonna give you the secret sauce. We're gonna go over here to settings real quick and go to custom activities. Now you should have custom activities for different parts of your sales process. So we are gonna use the example of new activity. So when a form gets filled out on our website, we are gonna create a new activity inside of our organization. Website form completion. There we go. We're going to click add, we're going to click save, and then we're good to go. Perfect. So now we're going to come back to workflows. We're going to click new workflow. We're going to go to the custom activity event right here, and then we're going to select new activity. We're going to go to activity type right here. We're going to select is any of, and we're going to select that new one. Let me go and refresh so it pops up here. Custom activity type, new activity type, email replied, website form completion. So we're going to select that and we're going to go click done. So anytime this custom activity gets created because a form gets completed on our website, now we can trigger this workflow. The next step, we're going to click add step, and then we're going to use this create opportunity step. And guys, I've been building close accounts for 7-8 years now. This is such a game changer for Close.com users. So you just click right here, and then you can see we have these different options. So I want to put it into the potential stage of my sales pipeline. If you're not quite sure what pipeline stages you should have or what pipelines should be created or how to create those, check out the YouTube channel. We have all kinds of videos literally documenting exactly how to build all of this out. But for the purpose of the video, we're just going to stick with this piece. So we're going to click on potential. We're going to put the average order value in here. So value, you can choose to put no value or an average order value. That's what I like to do. So let's say our average order value is $3,000. We're going to say it's a one-time payment. Confidence is going to be what is the likelihood of that closing, 1 out of 100. So let's put 20%. You want to think about in your pipeline, you have these different stages. At that stage, what is the likelihood of that closing, right? Now, if a new lead fills out a form, it's probably unlikely that you're going to close that at 20%. So let's actually bring this down to 10%. But it depends on your sales process and what kind of leads are opting in for that type of form or whatever you choose. Now, estimated close date, you can put a date in here if you want. I'm just going to leave it blank. You can choose what contact is associated with it. You can put notes in here. You can assign it to a specific person. And then you can have it created by, okay? So that's all you have to do. Now you can add custom fields here as well, but we're just going to click done. Oh, we do need to assign to, so we're just going to assign it to the support account here. And then we're going to click done, and there you go. That's it. Now, once I activate this, really cool workflow update, activate, boom, done. Okay. So now anytime that new activity gets filled out, it's going to create a new opportunity on that. So there are a ton of use cases for this. If you, again, want to figure out how to build out your pipelines or when to use custom activities and how to build custom activities, check out some of the other videos on the channel, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on this release. Really, really powerful feature inside of Close.com, and shout out to the Close.com team for adding these features and saving people money on their Zapier costs. Cheers.